change to this, then press enter, then press F4 for PC control. Go like screen like this, okay, and inside is this instrument, okay, then monitor screen. Then it will open the screen like this. Can see this substance like this. This connect will open screen like this, and here at the bottom is the connect option. Is the connect option. Okay. Then this option will get activated. Okay, and here there is the absorbent is a wavelength showing. So first we have to insert a sample of this appendix. This is the reference cell and this is the sample cell. You have to put your reference. This is the qubit, this is the transparent side. So you have to put your button here. Transparent side. Okay. And then your qubit. Transparent your face this direction like this. Okay. Close the lid, monitor screen, and just click on this baseline wavelength. Okay, for that you can, if you want to change, you can go to method. Here this is a start wavelength 800, and putting it, you can change it to 200 also. Okay, but I will be doing from 500 only. And scan speed medium, sampling interval, you can change this, and choose 2. Okay, let's run like this, and sample preparation parameters just ended. Okay, and let's click on okay, and next click on that baseline to start. Then again, so you need to confirm. Okay, then it will start like this. See here you can see those. Listen to see. Now you can put your sample and start. First of all, take out the sample cell and put it here. Now after cleaning the qubit, this is the qubit. Transparent is sorted, and this is my sample. This is my sample. Put my sample here, this, and put the lid on. click OK and it will start. Yes, the spectra also. This one. Finish it will come here. Now how it is saved. For saving save as finish done. And again save as data printable stay and save. And I can save and to close this just